Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but shispa % ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Mukul College long ka khot admission ha ki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call ha kini kinam
Unoy lam kaliang persya kiing darbar thawan Dr. Mukul sangma hakar pulai trek ujimang arajar posan ula Byrngem ban pinlong dekat Ïakhih persya ek sarkar jela tara kamwengno Ïakhih ban Aiti penya ek Tura Medical College syakir Riewshimet ngakintu yaki ba banisnok tilang bat nga haga Ïakhih namar bangan niki bat ngan sa selok ru baginong shnong bagin kintu yaka sarkar balada ka sarkar kamay jubab kababyang ngin haban Ïakhih lagu mindrang ba berim haga Ïakhih bat kilar patay kubor.
I have every reason to believe that this whole exercise of the so-called privatization of government assets, these are something which must be stopped. People must question the government. It is my responsibility also to once again ask the government to stop this whole adventurism in trying to bring in investment in these crucial sectors of health and education. Today, let us be very cautious about health sector also. Rather than shouldering the responsibility of upgrading the facilities in our own government supported, government aided schools and the government schools, indirectly we are compelling our parents to look for schools in the private sector, not by choice but out of compulsion. So by default, it is so happening that today across the state you are seeing more and more mushrooming of private schools and more parents choosing to send their children, shifting their children from government schools, government institutions to private institutions. Well, there is always a space for private sector in education sector, but it should not be that government schools and institutions should be seen as inferior and incompetent to compete in as far as providing quality education is concerned. I am very concerned when I see the overall narrative in the social media. I am sure media has captured it. It has been also carried by our vibrant media in the state, that teachers are yet to receive their salary. This has been a problem, but are we not trying to put it as a priority? Teachers, deficit school teachers, their children are being denied admission because they had no money to pay for the admission. Also, there are many other narratives. I think it has been appropriately reflected by the articles carried by the media. It is available before the people. Because the narrative in the social media and the circulation thereof is so much, it comes again and again. How does it not attract the attention of the government? Then, another thing is the doctors. I am told that the doctors who are who are appointed on contractual basis are yet to receive salaries. This is also another narrative which is circulating in social media. It captures narrative, different type of narrative. So what is the priority of the government? Social sector is a sector where government is duty bound to ensure that they focus and their focus do not get distorted. And the priority in as far as the social sector is concerned remains as number one priority.